like to personally invite you to our school's open house as we kick off this year's Catholic Schools Week.
Did you know that Catholic Schools Week is a national celebration in the United States since 1974?
Did you know it always starts the last Sunday in January and runs all week? Which this year is January 28th through February 3rd.
During this week, we will have different events to focus on the value of Catholic education that provides to young people like us and its contributions to our church, our communities, and our nation.
We are certain that you don't want to miss out on walking through our Nativity School's hallways, visiting our classrooms, special learning spaces, and gym.
So, next weekend, after 10:30 Sunday Mass, head over to the social hall, grab a donut, and maybe some coffee. Look at our gala cougar baskets, and then go through these gates.
Your first stop, visit our Stream Lab. You don't know what Stream stands for? Come over and find out.
Then, come check out our courtyard. Maybe even check out some of the vegetables that are growing, like purple cauliflower.
Visit some of our amazing classrooms. And you must see our amazing science lab.
Continue to the second floor, where you get to see our classrooms, visit the media center, the music studio, and more.
And finally, head over to the gym.
So don't forget, next Sunday, January 28th, come to our open house at our school. We look forward to seeing you.
Blessings, Nativity!